I think that you really need to be extra aware with these. I'll show you if I'm going to go on the side of the road here, or on the sidewalk here. The NEXAs they fit on a sidewalk, but from edge to edge, this is not fun driving because I've also got an edge here. This is not, also the heater's working very well, like exceptional. No, I do not like driving this on the sidewalk at all. I'm doing 14 kilometers, which is the max you should be doing on a sidewalk anyways. But again, if this is where you're comfortable and this is a speed you want to do, then you do you, right? All about being respectful to other people. Now, I'm going to get back on the road because sidewalks are not my jam. I feel more comfortable going on the side of the road. You are a free human being, people. You can do as you wish. As you know, there are no written rules that these have to be on sidewalks. But I like to do like my 25 kilometers. This is where I am though. I'm not in Toronto. You know, you have to figure out where you're gonna drive based on where you live. And that changes from road to road. Right? This is more of a main road in Mount Albert, it's small town. So I might go with traffic in a residential, but this is a main road that comes in and out into the main downtown there. Oh, damn, I got a train. All right, well,